Hi, my name is Lucas Miller Nelson, and I'm going to walk through with you the Module 1 video assignment. So to start off with the first question, how many cases does this data set have? Each student is an individual case, so therefore we have 14 cases for this data set. And how many variables we have is everything consisting of the student. So year, smoke, award, exercise, TV, height, weight, siblings, birth order, and piercings. There's 10 total variables for this data set. Moving on to the next question, classify each of the variables as either quantitative or categorical. So year, since it is a category that a student would be in, so freshman, sophomore, junior, senior, that is put as a categorical variable, while award is a categorical variable based on what you get. Olympic, academic, and Nobel would be different awards that you could get in that category. Now, quantitative are numbers. So height and piercings, height in inches and piercings is the total number that they have. Those would be quantitative for this question. And now as we move on to question C, I'm now going to explain to you how to answer the 5-point summary. Correction, 5-number summary. Alright, and for question C, the 5-number summary, it asks us to dissect the amount of piercings that the students have. So first I listed all of the piercings that they gave us in the chart, and then I put them in order, and for this I did that because I could see the min and the max very easily when I put them all in order. So the way to find the median is basically just the middle number of all of these numbers. Now, since there was 2, it was between 1 and 2, so therefore the median is 1.5. It is 1.5 because it's the middle of 1 and 2. That makes it the median. And when I say in the middle of these two numbers, I mean the average between 1 and 2, making it the median. So furthering with the 5-number summary, I had to find the Q1, which is the median of the lower half, which was 0. So the way I found that was between 1.5 and 0. So my median of all of the piercings and 0, the median of that, which is Q1, was 0 as well. So I did the same thing then for the upper half. So I took 1.5 and the max, and I found the median between those two, which happened to be 4. So looking down at the bottom of this document, I have my 5-number summary listed out. The min is 0, Q1 0, median is 1.5, Q3 is 4, and max is 12. So in the last question, they asked us to identify the IQR and any outliers. So I'll start with the IQR. The IQR, they asked us to basically find the difference between Q1 and Q3 and Q1. So you just subtract those, which ended up being 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. To find any outliers, they had us. There's a simple equation that you can plug in to your Q1 and Q3 to help see if there's any outliers in the data set that they gave us. So in the lower half, there was none. When you take Q1 minus the IQR times 1.5, there was no outliers since the min was 0, so it was very difficult to go below that. Q3 though, when you take the Q3, which is 4, plus the IQR times 1.5, the answer would be 10. So Q3 is 4 plus I'm sorry, give me 1 second, plus the IQR times 1.5 would equal 10, which leaves that there is one outlier, which would be 12. So looking back at my video assignment, you can see that the IQR and any outliers are visible on this page. So the IQR being 4, outliers are 12. And then the piercings, we listed the 5-number summary, which is listed right here. Min 0, Q1 0, median 5, Q3 4, max 12. Classifying each of the variables. This would be year, categorical, award, categorical, height, and piercings are quantitative. How many cases does data set have? 14. And how many variables? It's 10, all the way year through piercings. So that is my Module 1 video assignment. Thank you very much.